Turn off the sun, father. No, sir. But no. People start the video. Hello, hola, bonjour, konnichiwa, ni hao, wa, guan, sports, fans, all around the world. Welcome to Emil's Talk. Well, Emil's Vlog. A special place on this side at Sports TV where you and I can laugh, have discussions and find solutions to pressing issues for us people, the games we love. Don't forget, like this video, leave a comment and share this video to as many people as possible. Why after that? Because I want this side at Sports TV take off. Straight like that, people. But yeah, man, I don't know if you can see the background. Yeah, man. But there you want a ball, people. You want a ball with it. But why we there, people? Why we there? It's all about the women's football today, people. All about the women's football today. Reinas Cup, people. Yeah, man. Don't know, say this side at Sports TV, we have to come out here and show support to the girls, you know. So, as I say, people, we're there for show, for get a little vlog, get a little coverage on the Reinas Cup, people. We have Ballaz versus next, is it new generation and next generation? And then Reinas Academy versus KFA. Should be a very, very exciting set of matches, people. So we're there up on the background, people. There up on the background. Yeah, man, people. And we got there showcase as much. You don't know me, people. Once me have vlog me, I make sure so the people them get as much out of the clips, them people. But yeah, man, people, stay tuned. I have some special guests putting in the video. But yeah, man, see you back in a bit.
A cheerleader girl. We are
Chelsea, your personal.
When we go quarterfinals, you call me again.
Yes, sir.
Control. Wide. Abby, move. Hey! Abby,
Sabrina, pass the ball and play.
Hey. I wish.
Let's go, let's shot.
In the middle, now the first assistant is Alonso Bennett, and the second is Patrick.
I'm going to go sing to me here.
Smith, 6 right inside. Oh, turning beautiful is no good. Now hold it right out to Latch. Good gets it back. Cross is there. The defender Johnson was also there. Who launches the cross. It's going to be another one. A second lap for
Nobody know ball obvious. Your story is not full. You need an iPhone then. You need it. You got to get the salad right
I'm not saying this, so we know. Let's go on the video recording part. Yeah, I'm going like you want pretty to go to this.
We can't do a thing, man.
Never see it.
You know what I mean?
Go on, go make the vlog nice.
No.
Go juggle 10. Go juggle 10 right now, make the vlog nice. Yo, Prince. Prince, give him the ball, make him juggle 10.
You know anything about it? No, man. Ah, you see that?
Do more video.
Remember saying that have something there. That have something
Yes, people. Yeah, man. Back again, people. So the third place game just finished a while ago, people. Just finished. Ballaz 2, New Generation 0. It was a good game, people. I love the way the girls played today, people. Especially over at Ballaz. The coaching staff over there, they're doing an amazing job. Same for the new generation. These coaches are working hard with these girls, and trust me, people, I see a lot of talent on the pitch. For the Ballaz perspective, man, oh my God, can I remember their name? I believe it was Sabrina, McDonald, and Abby, Logan, the 10, the 8, oh my God, people, I could go on and on. The 15, all of these girls. The number 10 over at New Generation. There's so many talented girls on this pitch. And people, the support, I'm looking at the support, it's not that bad, but it could have been so much better. I mean, we see what the Reggae girls are doing over at the World Cup, gone to the round of 16, breaking barriers and creating history constantly, people. And we love to see it, and now we're here, people. As I said, the third place game just finished, and we're just happy to see the future, the next generation of Reggae girls players. And I can safely say that I am seeing a lot, or a few of these girls could one day represent the Reggae girls, people. The future for Jamaican football is looking extremely bright. Now we're going to have Reyna Academy versus KFA, the finals, people. So, yeah, man, we're there. And as usual, I bring in the content. And this should be another brilliant game. So, people, so check in back.
Hands up. Put your hands. 1-5. Penalty. If you go penalty, then it's cancelled.
Come down here too deep. Alex, you have to talk to her. Tell her. Young. Time, let's step up this one. Yeah, that's Jackie, number here. Jackie, don't waste energy. Alright. First touch here. Number here, Jackie, don't waste energy.
Esha, come on.
No, I look out wide now.
Deja, raise again for me, please.
No, man. Do what you do. Watch your back. Now the hand. Right, don't look on the left hand.
Alright.
Goal. Oh! I called it.
Towards goal.
Kill him dead pass in the ball and then say yeah pass the ball.
A 5-yard pass. Nah, they not knock the ball out. Perfect way for the pass.
Bugs United, watch them.
No, hey. You do pass it with a 5-yard pass, still a 5-yard pass.
A shot by Johnson.
It's okay if you win the league, so them get it.
Construction, Reinas Cup. Yeah.
For the league.
For the league. So this one's for the league and this one's for
The knockout.
knockout. So this is the league trophy and this is the knockout trophy. Congratulations.
Something that Arsenal doesn't know nothing about.
Yeah, good face. Are you answering? You're good face.
You know, you always have Camille Maji.
That's how it is. That's how it is. Yeah. And beautiful people we're presenting right here, so here.
Back again, people. As you know, Reinas Academy 2, KFA L. A good match, people. As I said previously, people. Started off on equal footing, you know. Started off on equal footing. Then that one goal went in and it seemed like the girls dropped their heads a bit, and then second goal went in. But what I can say though, the second half, a better showing from the girls over at KFA. Overall, a good match, and all I can say to you people, this is a win for not only youth football for women, but Jamaican football in general. We love to see the development of our young, talented Jamaican players. It's a good look. And credit to Nia and his coaching staff for the Reinas Academy. A great competition, and people, the showing, the crowd and everything, the fans that were there, electric people. You'll see it in the vlog. But yeah man, people, this is the end of the video. Don't forget, like this video, leave a comment, and share this video. Share this video if you love women's football. Share this video if you love the development of women's football in Jamaica. Yeah man guys, you'll see the content. So yeah man, blessings. Bye for now.